In this course, I'll be sharing exactly how we all have challenges. It's a matter of how we handle those challenges and how we come out on the other side. The question you need to ask yourself is, what do you really want? When it comes down to what you want, are you looking at a new job? Are you looking for fame or celebrity status? Are you wanting to be a loving parent? Are you looking for romance or a relationship? Are you looking to lose weight? Do you want to stop smoking? Regardless of any of these things that you want, you have to tell yourself you will never give up. You've got to keep striving and keep working till you get to the goal. Achieving is possible, but it's going to take work. And sometimes a lot of commitment is required to stay focused. You're going to work hard to stay focused. You need to be committed. You need to focus on what the end result is. What is the prize at the end of the whole process? If you look at it as a little bits of a picture and you don't see the full picture, you will probably stall or give up or temporarily halt your process. But if you focus on the end result, by stopping all distractions and knowing where you are going, you're going to have this drive inside of you, this passion inside of you to keep going and never give up.